In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the region language on the Amazon app and on the Prime Video app. So stick with me till the end if you want to learn how. First, let's look at the Amazon app. All you do is open up the app and then head over to the three lines on the bottom right and then open up settings. From here, you'll see an option of country and language. You can tap on it and tap on the language option. Here you can choose from all of these languages that are available. Once you tap on the language, the interface will change, and if you tap on this button, the language on the application will change. So that's the one on the Amazon app. Now for the Prime Video app, you can open up the application. Just tap on the profile icon on the top right and then open up settings, which is also on the top right. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see an option of language. You can tap on it and choose the option or the language that you want to change to, and it will give you a menu which says you will need to restart the app. If you agree, then tap on yes, and the language on the whole application will change to the language that you selected. So that's basically how you can change the language on both the Amazon app and the Prime Video app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.